Snapchat, launched in 2011, is a leading social media platform with over 500 million monthly active users. Known for its disappearing messages, augmented reality filters, and stories, Snapchat allows users to share photos and videos that vanish after 24 hours. Features like Snap Map and the Discovery section enhance real-time interaction and content exploration, making Snapchat a trendsetter in social media. Social media apps are integral to modern life, with over 4.7 billion users globally in 2023. They connect people, facilitate business growth through advertising and customer engagement, and enable effortless content sharing. Real-time communication is another key benefit, allowing instant connections and collaborations. For developers, creating an app like Snapchat offers a chance to meet this growing demand and innovate user experiences. To develop an app like Snapchat, start with thorough market research. Analyze existing apps to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Identify what makes Snapchat popular, such as its user interface and unique features. Understand your target audience by defining demographics and conducting surveys. This research helps tailor your app to meet user needs and fill gaps left by competitors, ensuring a strong market fit. A clear USP is crucial for your app's success. Identify unique features that set your app apart, such as augmented reality filters, interactive elements, and enhanced privacy options. Craft a value proposition that emphasizes convenience and unique experiences. Highlight how your app makes communication easier and offers distinct features. A strong USP and value proposition will attract users and differentiate your app in a crowded market. Before development, outline your app's features and create user journey maps. Key functionalities should include instant messaging, stories, customizable filters, and video editing options. Develop user journey maps to visualize how users will interact with your app, from onboarding to regular engagement. This planning ensures a seamless user experience and guides the development process, setting the stage for a successful app launch. Design is critical, with 94% of first impressions based on it. Start with wireframing to plan the layout and information flow. Use tools like Balsamiq and Sketch for low-fidelity models. Choose a color scheme and icons that reflect your brand and enhance usability. Tools like Adobe XD and Figma can help create a stylish, consistent interface. Prototype testing ensures your design meets user expectations and provides a smooth experience.